And good morning. How are you all the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine at home. I'm your science teacher Miss Gul, and today we will do the page number 52, 53 and 54 of science book. These are the 3 pages of your science book. Let's take out the page number 52. Hurry up and write the date and day on all the 3 pages. Today we will start a new unit number 7, measuring instruments. Okay students, look at the 3 pictures. It's the picture of the book, apple and the bottle of water. Okay, now tell me, the books are heavy or the apple? We can say the books are heavy than the apple, but we will need to use the measuring instrument to find the accurate weight. For measuring the accurate weight, we use the measuring instrument. Similarly, for the amount of water in the bottle, we use the measuring instrument. A lot of things are around us. Things are of different sizes, weight and the length. The world is full of things, and all the things having the weight are of different sizes and of different length. We measure things in different ways. Scientists measure things using measuring instruments. What are measuring instruments? The machines that are used to measure things are called measuring instruments. The machines that are used to measure the things are called measuring instruments. In this unit, we will learn how we can measure the length, weight, time, temperature and liquids of different things. Measuring length. For measuring the length and distance of anything, we use the instruments are ruler, meter rod and measuring tape. Look at the picture. These are the picture of ruler, meter rod and the measuring tape. These are the instruments for measuring the length of any object. You can also measure the length of your geometry box or the pencil with the help of a ruler. The height of a boy, we use meter rod for measuring the height of a boy, and measuring tape is used for measure the length of any cloth. Measuring weight. Have you ever seen something standing on a weighing scale? A weighing scale is a machine that shows how heavy something is. These are the pictures of the instruments we use for measuring weight. The machines are, or the instruments are, weighing machine, 2-pan balance, kitchen scale, electronic balance. These are all instruments we use for measuring the weight of any object or anything. Here are some pictures for measuring time. Digital clock, wristwatch, pendulum clock, analog clock, stopwatch. These all the instruments are used for measuring time. Measuring temperature. We can tell how hot or cold something is by measuring its temperature with a thermometer. It's the picture of a thermometer. We use thermometer for measuring the temperature of anyone. So, thermometer is the instrument for measuring temperature. Measuring liquids. We measure liquids such as water, milk and oil in cups, beakers and other containers. Here are some pictures of cups, beakers and containers used for measure the liquids. When new things are made, the materials that are used have to be measured. Okay? For making the lemonade, we need the measured amount of sugar, lemon and water. We need half cup sugar, juice of 3 lemons and 1 liter water. Concept check. What would you use to measure the following? A length of cloth. We use measuring tape. The time it takes to run a race. We use Okay, we use stopwatch. A person's weight, the amount of oil in a tin, the temperature of a drink. Write the name of the instrument we use to measure these things. At the end is your homework. Do page number 20 of school workbook as homework. Learn and write the keywords 2 times. The keywords are length, weight, temperature, time and liquid. Hope you enjoyed the video and got very well. See you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.